In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write perfect English emails with ChatGPT. Writing an impeccable email can often feel daunting, especially if English isn't your first language. But fear not, because with the help of ChatGPT, a highly capable AI language model, you can craft professional, clear, and effective emails with ease. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your preferred internet browser and head over to Google. Once there, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This powerful AI tool will be your assistant in crafting your email. As you type, you'll likely see a list of suggestions appear. Just choose the first option to make things simple. Now, go ahead and click on the official ChatGPT website link that shows up in your search results. This will take you to the home page, which is your starting point for generating your email content with ease and precision. Keep in mind, it's all about harnessing the machine's knowledge to make your communication stand out. Next, you'll need to prepare a prompt. Think of this prompt as your request or the instructions you give to ChatGPT. Consider what the overall goal of your email is. Are you writing to request information, send a hard complaint, or perhaps express your gratitude? Once you have clarity on your email's purpose, type it into the prompt area provided on the website. For example, if you're writing a business email requesting a meeting, you might type something like, "Draft a professional email requesting a meeting to discuss project timelines." After you've written your prompt, move on to the submission button and click it. This action sends your prompt to ChatGPT, which will then work its magic and churn out a text suggestion based on the input you provided. It's like having a diligent assistant who's always on standby, ready to help you articulate your thoughts just the way you intend. Once you receive the draft from ChatGPT, review it carefully. Make sure that the content aligns with your intentions and the tone you want to convey. Feel free to make any necessary adjustments to personalize or tailor the email further. You can always draw on specific phrases or sentences generated by the AI if they perfectly capture your message. In case you want to explore different phrasing or need another round of refinement, just click on the search bar again to tweak your initial input and resubmit it. By doing this, ChatGPT provides a revised draft. You have the flexibility to keep refining the email until it meets your needs. Finally, when you are satisfied with your email draft, you can copy it onto your email client and hit send. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted email with the aid of technology, making communication a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.